So we're at Soul Beach. We just ordered a latte and carrot cake.
We've just stopped off in Soul Beach, which is somewhere we've never been before. So we've got a nice seat in the sun. It's warming up quite nicely now. So we're going to be having a coffee and cake for $5.50. And I'll just spin the camera around so you can have a little look at what this place is like.
So we're at Soul Beach. We just ordered a latte and carrot cake. So I'll show you up close. And I just got the same. So, let's taste it and see what it's like. Very nice. So it is Tuesday morning, and we're sat facing Levante Beach. The sun is shining.
It's getting hot.
It is getting warm, so we don't need to wear jackets. And we're sat here drinking our latte. So it's a latte, and it's a piece of cake, and Nigel's got and you've got a really great view. So this is in Soul Beach.
The only bad thing is if you leave it too long, the cake will melt.
Yes, so it's really nice.